Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making honey glazed salmon. Let's get started. We have here one piece of salmon with a skin on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the scales. The reason being is that the air fryer can make the skin extra crispy. Okay, we removed all the scales from the salmon. Good. Remove that. Now that we washed the cutting board, we're gonna start seasoning the salmon. We're gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder, some sea salt, and some black pepper. Okay, we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing all over again. Now that we have both sides all seasoned, we're gonna put the honey glaze on it. We have here 1 tablespoon of butter. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey, raw honey. There you go. And now you stir the honey and the butter all together. Just stir it nice and even. Okay, we're set there. And we're just gonna brush it on to the salmon. Okay, we're going to turn it over and do the other side. And we just have enough just to cover the whole salmon, which is perfect. There we go. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to preheat the air fryer. I'm going to start it up. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees and we're going to set it for 14 minutes. We're going to let it preheat first and then we'll put it in. Okay, the air fryer has been preheated. Now we're going to put in the salmon, but before we do that, we're just going to quickly spray some olive oil into the basket, just so that the skin doesn't stick. We're going to put the salmon in. There we go. And we're going to put it back in. And it's going to be in there for 400 degrees for 14 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Oh yeah, look at that. It smells really good too. Okay, we're going to take it out. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, honey glazed salmon made in the air fryer.